So you've done the self-help and you've dipped into some personal development, but now you ask the question, now what? What can you do? Well, if you want to escape the apathy, step right this way. So twice a year, I teach a course called Autonomy. It's a 12-week personal development and training course. What people get out of it is multifaceted. There's curriculum, there's exercises, there's camaraderie, you make new friends. There's a whole lot of interesting things. We're going to hear a sample from the course right now, and let's take a look at the value these students are getting. And these various fronts, right? There's a front, like a battlefront on your bodily autonomy and health. There's a battlefront on, what's going on geopolitically and what with American statecraft that might be overthrowing places a couple years ago where the things are going on today, right? Is there a history? So there's all these battlefronts. Do you need to be at the front line of battle? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe you need to be the supply line for the front line of battle. Maybe in the front line of battle these days is offering solutions, value-based solutions into the environment that are antithetical to this great reset, collectivist, every individual has no rights unless the group says so type of management system. They're just trying to sell people on a new population management system because these other ones are like, when you have freedom operating, you can't have Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk and all these other gazillionaires operating at the same time because it wouldn't naturally happen. Those are government, and government doesn't create anything that it doesn't take from somebody. It took from us and gave to them, and that's wealth reappropriation 101. So if we want less of that, we got to have more self-reliance among ourselves to say no to those offers, because too many people say yes to those offers. So there's making your offer and knowing how to say yes and no to the offers made to you.
Everyone's doing some kind of self-help these days, and you can find a million self-help courses out there. Most other courses out there are hosting lectures. They're hosting videos, they're maybe even doing Q&As, and these are great starting points to encourage learning. But at Autonomy, we believe that hands-on practice is the best way to really lock in what we're learning. There's no better way to gain confidence and mastery than through action. After each lecture, we practice the concepts we've learned with other students, giving and receiving feedback in a non-judgmental environment. The result is mastery of concepts like entrepreneurship, ethical sales, and self-reliance in an environment that directly translates to the real world. Plus, you make connections with other like-minded individuals who are learning right alongside you, and you have a lifetime membership in the community. The Autonomy course with Richard Grove equips you with confidence, competence, and courage in a world filled with confusion and noise. You can learn more at getautonomy.info. We'll see you there.